How to update Microsoft Office. The first thing you need to do is open up any of the Microsoft Office apps. I'm going to be opening up Word, so I'm just going to double click on the shortcut here on my desktop. Once you've got one of the Office apps open, navigate to the bottom left hand corner here to where it says Account and left click on it. Once here, to the left hand side, you'll be able to see your user information, and to the right hand side, you'll be able to see your product information. Look for where it says Office Updates under Product Information and left click on Update Options. Once done, you'll get a small drop down menu. At the very top, you have the ability to update now, check for and apply updates for Office, disable updates, don't update for security, performance and reliability, view updates, see the update history for this product, about updates, learn more. The option that we want to select is Update Now. Simply left click on it. Once done, Microsoft Office will begin checking and downloading Microsoft Office updates. I'll be back with you guys once Microsoft Office has updated. During the update process, Microsoft Office will ask you to save your work before continuing. We need to close the following apps. Of course, guys, I have Microsoft Word open, so for Office to update, all Microsoft applications that you have open must be closed. Simply left click on Continue and Microsoft Office will automatically close any of the Office applications that you have open. Remember to save your work before clicking on Continue. Microsoft Office will then begin applying the updates that it has just downloaded. Microsoft Office will then be updated and the Microsoft Office app that you had open previously will reopen. I'm just going to close out of this now, guys, just to show you the final feedback from the Microsoft Office Update Installer. As you can see, guys, it says updates were installed. Your Office updates have been installed. You can use your Office apps now. Just left click on Close. And that pretty much concludes the video, guys, on how to update Microsoft Office. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?